Hello, dear friends. Myself Gitika of class 9th A from Himalaya Public School. Do you know what is special about today? Yes, today is World Environment Day. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you everything about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. World Environment Day, also known as WED, is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. The whole world has been celebrating it since 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Every year, WED has provided a theme for business, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. Issues like pollution, biodiversity, global warming remains on focus on WED. WED also raises issues like food waste, crop yield, and water shortages. The main motive is to show that when people work united for a noble cause, results are positive. World Environment Day provides a platform for everyone around the globe to speak out about issues facing the environment. WED is on such an initiative to spread awareness about the conservation and preservation of the environment. Now I am going to tell you about the history of World Environment Day. WED was established in 1972 by the United Nations. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Even though WED celebrations have been held annually since 1974. In 1987, the idea for rotating the center of these activities through selecting different host countries began. Now let me tell you the World Environment Day Anthem. An Earth Anthem penned by poet Abhay K is sung to celebrate WED. Our cosmic oasis, cosmic blue pearl, the most beautiful planet in the universe. All the continents and all the oceans. United we stand as flora and fauna. United we stand as species of one earth. Different cultures, beliefs and ways. We are humans, the earth is our home. All the people and the nations of the world. All for one and one for all. United we unfurl the blue marble flag. Now I am going to tell you how to celebrate World Environment Day. On this day, planting of saplings is done by schools, colleges, government and non-government offices, etc. On this day, important information related to the environment is given in the school. It inspires governments to take up policies to protect the environment, businesses to implement models that are environmental friendly and sustainable production by farmers. The major participants also include educational institutions such as schools where children engage in activities such as making posters and banners as well as plays to spread awareness among students. There are art exhibitions out of recycled materials, essay contests, skits are performed and rallies are held with the motive to engage people for a greener future. WED is a global platform to help our environment. It is not only to protect our home, but to protect the homes of many living species on Earth. It helps to promote sustainable development to ensure that future generations have resources and a clean environment. Now, here are some amazing World Environment Day quotes and slogans. You can read them. Thank you everyone. I hope you have learned a lot about World Environment Day. At last, happy World Environment Day. Stay safe, stay home.